Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all vegetable clear soup for recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई आज पनि तपाईहरुमा आज मैले क्लियर भेजिटेबल सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु एकदमै हेल्दी छ कम्फर्टिङ छ र इजी पनि छ र यो चाहिँ प्राय विशेष गरेर हामी नेपालीमा चाहिँ एकदमै मन पराउने सुप पनि हो स्पाइसी भर्जनमा तपाईले यसलाई बनाएर पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने आज मैले चाहिँ एकदम सिम्पली क्लियर बेसमा एकदम हेल्दी वेमा ल्याएर आएको छु यो रेसिपीले तपाईले घरमा बनाएर मजाले चाहिँ इन्जोय गर्नु होला नत्र भने तपाईले आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त Vegetable clear soup, hotel style recipe. It's light, flavorful, and packed with the freshness. The kinds you did often find served as a starter in restaurant. Vegetable clear soup, hotel style, serving portion 4. Preparation time 10 minutes, cook time 20 minutes. Ingredients 1 tablespoon oil or butter. 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 inch ginger grated, optional for warmth. 1 small carrot finely chopped, 1/4 cup cabbage shredded, 1/4 cup green beans finely chopped, 1/4 cup capsicum, bell pepper diced, 1/4 cup mushroom sliced, optional, 4 cup vegetable or chicken stock or water plus stock cube, 1 tablespoon soy sauce light, half teaspoon black pepper freshly ground, salt to taste, fresh coriander or spring onion greens for garnish. Instruction: saute the aromatics. Heat oil, butter in a pot. Add onion, garlic, and ginger. Saute until fragrant 2 minutes. Add vegetable, stir in carrot, beans, cabbage, mushrooms, and capsicum. Saute 3 to 4 minutes, keeping veggies slightly crispy. Simmer broth. Add stock, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then simmer 10 minutes for flavor to melt. Serve hot. Garnish with the fresh coriander or spring onion greens. Serve with garlic bread or as a light starter. Chef tip: for a stronger hotel-style flavor, add a dash of vinegar at the end to make it more fillings, and glass noodles or a small pasta or spoon of chili oil on top give a nice Indo-Chinese restaurant vibes. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look, many more recipes are there. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or if you have any question you can send it to me message directly or comment any of my post. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई आज भने तपाईहरुमा आज मैले एकदमै हेल्दी भएको सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको थिए त मस्त रहनुहोस् व्यस्त रहनुहोस् स्वस्थ रहनुहोस् जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ आफ्नो हेल्थको ख्याल गर्नु होला खुसी रहनु होला सी यू नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो चाओ